Student, today our topic is baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaSO3. Now the preparation. When the brine solution is react with ammonia and carbon dioxide, then sodium hydrogen carbonate as well as NH4Cl is formed, which is the ammonium chloride. Now the properties of baking soda. The baking soda is springly soluble in water. Second property, slightly alkaline in nature. Slightly alkaline in nature means it is soluble in water. Now the action of heat. When you heat sodium bicarbonate, then it gives sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide plus water. Now the uses of baking soda. Baking soda is used as an antacid. When our stomach become very acidic, then we can use sodium bicarbonate to remove to get the relief from that acidity. Second is baking soda is used in making the baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder mixed with water, then sodium hydrogen carbonate react with tartaric acid to evolve carbon dioxide gas. Now the reaction is sodium bicarbonate plus H plus aqueous. H plus aqueous means acid. Then your product is Na plus carbon dioxide plus H2O. This carbon dioxide gas produced get trapped in the wet dough and bubbles are slowly making of the cake. It is used of making of the cake, bread or sometime pakora, etc. And it also causes our bread to, due to this carbon dioxide, our cake makes soft and spongy. If only sodium hydrogen carbonate is used, which is the baking soda, for making of the cake, then the sodium carbonate which is produced by the action of the heat will give a bitter taste to our cake. Therefore, we are not directly using the baking soda, we are using the baking powder. Baking soda is also used in fire extinguisher. In fire extinguisher, sodium hydrogen carbonate and sulfuric acid is present, which is present in a separate container. When the knob of the fire extinguisher is pressed, then sulfuric acid mixed with the sodium hydrogen carbonate solution and carbon dioxide gas is produced, and this carbon dioxide gas form a blanket over the fire, and in this way it prevents the contact of the fire from the atmosphere, and due to the blanket of carbon dioxide gas, the contact of a fire as well as air is prevented, or we can cut the contact. Then in this way we can extinguish the fire. Next topic is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, also known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Formula of calcium sulfate hemihydrate is CaSO4.2H2O. Now the preparation. Gypsum, formula of gypsum CaSO4.2H2O is heated at 100 degrees Celsius, and when it is heated, then 3/4 of water of crystallization is loses and plaster of Paris is formed. Formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4.2H2O. It means 1 calcium sulfate share half water molecule, or we can also write it like 2 CaSO4.2H2O. We can also write like 2 CaSO4.H2O. It means 2 calcium sulfate share 1 water molecule. In this reaction, temperature which is 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin is essential, because if we increase the temperature above 100 degrees Celsius, then all water of crystallization will be loses, and calcium sulfate, anhydrated calcium sulfate left behind, which is also known as dead
burnt plaster, and did burnt plaster is of no use because it does not set like plaster of Paris on adding water. Now the properties of plaster of Paris. Well, plaster of Paris is a white powder, and it's set into a hard mass on wetting with water. When you dissolve plaster of Paris in water, then it is again converted into gypsum, and formula of gypsum is CaSO4 dot 2S2O. All of you know that plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture-proof container. Do you know why? Because if it react with moisture, then it set down it is converted into gypsum. Therefore, it is always stored in moisture-proof container. Now the uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used in hospital for setting fractured bone in right position. Second point, plaster of Paris is used in making toys, decorative materials, ornament, cosmetics, etc. Plaster of Paris also used in fireproofing material. It is used in laboratory, as well as it is also used for making surfaces smooth before painting in our houses. Okay, thank you for this class.